In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Revolut card to Amazon. By the end, your Revolut card will be saved in your Amazon account and ready to use at checkout. First, open Amazon on your phone or computer and sign in. If you use the app, make sure it's updated so the menus match what you see here. Next, head to your payments. On desktop, open the account menu and look for your payments or wallet. On mobile, go to your account settings and find the payments section. This is where Amazon stores your cards and lets you manage how you pay. Choose add a payment method. Amazon may show options like credit or debit cards. Select that since Revolut cards work just like regular bank cards for online purchases. Enter your Revolut card details carefully, the card number, expiration date, and security code. You can use a physical Revolut card or a standard virtual card. Avoid disposable virtual cards for this because they change frequently and won't stay valid for saved payments. Double check your entries to prevent verification issues. Add your billing address. This should match the billing details associated with your Revolut card. If you've never set one in Revolut, use the address you registered in your Revolut profile. Consistency matters here. Mismatched addresses can trigger declines or extra checks. You can set the Revolut card as your default payment method if you plan to use it for most orders or subscriptions. If you're just trying it out, you can skip this and choose the card manually at checkout whenever you need it. You can always change the default later. Now you're ready to shop. When you check out, select your Revolut card as the payment option. Amazon may ask for an extra security step. Keep the Revolut app handy with notifications enabled because you might get a prompt to approve the payment via 3D Secure. Approve it promptly to avoid timeouts. If you're buying in a different currency, you can often choose whether Amazon converts the amount for you. Many users prefer to be charged in the seller's currency and let Revolut handle the conversion, as this can offer better rates, but choose what you're comfortable with. If your card is declined, make sure you have sufficient funds. Online and international payments are enabled in the Revolut app, and your card is activated. Small temporary authorization holds from Amazon are normal and usually disappear automatically. That's it, your Revolut card is now connected to Amazon and ready to use. Happy shopping!